In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add and manage users on Smartsheet step by step. Whether you're an admin setting up your team for the first time, or you simply need to add new members and control their access, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Managing users properly is essential for keeping your projects organized, secure, and running smoothly. Make sure you watch until the end so you can see all the available management options inside Smartsheet. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. Log in with your admin account credentials. You need to have admin or system admin permissions in order to add and manage users. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Smartsheet dashboard. From here, look for the Admin Center or navigate to the area where user controls are located. Click on User Management. This is where you'll be able to see all existing users on your account, including their roles, permissions, and status. The User Management panel gives you a full overview of who currently has access to your organization's Smartsheet environment. To add a new user, click on Add User. A form will appear where you can enter the new user's email address and assign their role. You'll typically be able to choose between different permission levels, such as licensed user, viewer, admin, or other role types depending on your plan. Carefully select the appropriate role based on what level of access the person needs. Once you've filled in the required information, confirm the action to send the invitation. If you need to add multiple users at once, go back and click on Import New Users. This option is especially useful for larger teams. You can upload a CSV file containing multiple email addresses and predefined roles. This saves a huge amount of time compared to entering each user manually. Simply download the template if provided, fill it out with your team's details, upload it, and confirm the import. Next, let's look at managing existing users. In the User Management section, select a user from the list, then click on More Actions. Here, you'll see several options available to you. Depending on your permissions and subscription plan, you may be able to deactivate users, remove them from the account, transfer ownership of sheets, or modify their roles. If someone changes positions within your company, you can update their access level instead of removing them entirely. If an employee leaves the organization, it's a good idea to deactivate their account to maintain security. You may also have the option to transfer any sheets they own to another active user before fully removing them. As you can see, Smartsheet provides multiple user management options, so you can stay in control of access, billing, and collaboration. Always double-check role assignments to ensure users only have the permissions they truly need. This helps protect sensitive information and keeps your workspace organized. And that's how you add and manage users on Smartsheet. It's a straightforward process once you know where everything is located. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Smartsheet and productivity software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.